Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you on how to fix your PlayStation problem when it won't turn on. The tools that you need are a Phillips screwdriver, a T8 Torx screwdriver, and flathead screwdriver. First you take your flathead screwdriver and remove the caps at the bottom of the PlayStation. Keep removing them until you expose the screws. Like so. Once you have exposed all of the screws, then take your Phillips screwdriver and proceed to remove the screws that have been exposed. There's a total of 7 screws, I believe. After you have removed the screws, you're gonna need your T8 Torx screwdriver to remove 4 more screws in the front of the PlayStation, the bottom part. I picked up this T8 Torx screwdriver at Home Depot for about $20. Sometimes the screws, even if you loosen them all the way, they tend to stick down, so you may need a flathead screwdriver to pluck them out. Like I said, some of them tend to stay, so you may need a flathead screwdriver to pluck them out. Okay, now that you remove the 4 Torx screwdrivers, flip over the PlayStation and take off the top cover. Then you're gonna proceed and unplugging the power supply from the PlayStation's motherboard. Then take the Phillips screwdriver and remove 2 additional screws that are holding down the power supply onto the motherboard. This is the problem what is causing not your PlayStation that it doesn't turn on. So if you ever run into a problem like this, basically what you do is just order a new power supply or used from eBay and just pop it back in and then it should work. Now get your power supply that you bought from eBay or wherever you got it, just put it in the motherboard. I'm gonna try the PlayStation now, hopefully it works. And voila, it works. Let's see, the image should come on. Oh yeah, it works. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.